I describe it as a patisserie. It's not a traditional American bakery, even though we make American cakes, anything really you want custom.
It is one of the only French bakery in Tulsa, so a lot of people who want to discover French food, they actually come here, or people that have traveled to France and they want to relive the experience, they come here for that.
My husband and I met working in a bakery, and then we moved on to other bakeries, decided that we just were professionally unfulfilled.
The creativity in all those places was toned down because you just had to follow the rules, and most of the bakeries in Tulsa don't bake from scratch, so that's why we decided to do our own thing, so we can do whatever we want.
Specialty-wise, anything croissant, and then our baguettes are really well known and very traditional. You can't find, I haven't found a baguette close to these that we make.
There's a lot of passion because we like what we do, but we also know what we're doing, so we are very serious about what we do. In the storefront over here with the customer, it always is super friendly because people know we're French, so they always come here, they're always excited, they always have a lot of questions to ask, either about France or about the pastries that they've had over there. And the fact that we are trained in French pastries, we can ask and answer any questions.
It's a smaller lobby. You're generally going to always see one of the owners. We learn our customers' names and what they like. And so it's just kind of a take and go, warm, get to know small town kind of bakery feel.
What they don't realize actually is that it's the two of us, it's me and Sarah. A lot of people assume that because I'm the French person that I am the baker, but Sarah is a pastry chef and she's as good as me and she does a lot.
Our bakery is unique in the fact that you can order with enough time almost anything you want. We're the only ones in town that even make a croquembouche, which is a traditional French wedding cake made of cream puffs and held together by caramel. That makes us very unique. We get referred to those a lot.
When you make pastries from scratch, it takes time. So most of everything takes more than one day. So that's why we always ask people to give us a notice that when they want something.
What makes us really cool and different for date nights is we close at 5 or 2 on Sundays, so we offer cooking classes, and right now we've been doing a lot of macaron classes, so you can do it as long as you have 2 people as a couple, and if you wanted to do a girls' night or a date night for a little upcharge, we can even arrange to have charcuterie trays and some wine or non-alcoholic beverages if you'd like, so you could always have an evening with your girlfriends or an evening with your significant other.
If you're interested in trying any authentic French food, we are the place to come, and we would be happy to bake anything and answer any questions for you. We
kind of have a motto that everyone should be able to afford good quality food. So come on down, you have options, things you I'm sure have never heard of or never tried. There is something that all the way from children to super high-end desserts, and we would just love you to come down, check us out, and if you have any custom orders or questions, feel free to ask us while you're here.